Remember Gattaca? I think Ethan Hawke was really good in Gattaca. Yeah, I want to watch Gattaca. Getaway stars Ethan Hawke as a disgraced race car driver forced to use his skills by a mysterious voice who is apparently behind kidnapping his wife. He's eventually joined on the ride by Selena Gomez, who may or may not play a larger role than he knows. Since this movie is the literal definition of the phrase cut to the chase, I'll follow suit and let you know immediately this movie is really bad. It's like someone who really likes car crashes said, hey, let's make a movie with a bunch of those, and then someone else at the table said, well, what should the story be about? And he replied, story? Did I even mention story? More crashes! Though as for that, I have to say, the crashes are pretty spectacular. They're the best thing about the movie, even if it does get a bit mind-numbing just about 20 minutes in. It's entertaining in the same way playing with Matchbox cars was entertaining when you were 4 and you just kept crashing the fronts of the cars together and making crashing noises. Other than that, the movie falls apart in just about every other way. The acting is bad, which is really kind of strange because I usually dig Ethan Hawke, even when he's in a poor movie. The Purge and Sinister come to mind as recent examples. But here, nothing about what he does feels real. And Selena's no better. Of course, it could be the script they're given, which pretty much consists of Jon Voight yelling commands through a phone, or it could be the humor, of which there isn't any. But the worst thing is how ridiculous the premise of this movie is. Nothing about the way this movie works, even remotely possible. There's a difference between suspension of disbelief and suspension of reality. And you'd have to do the second to have this movie make sense at all. Driving at high speeds, this mysterious voice directs him to make adjustments to course and accomplish tasks without any forethought. Turn right, drive down the stairs. Now run into that fruit cart, knocking one apple into the air so that it lands on the head of the man in the green sweater. Okay, I made that last one up, but not by much. The whole premise is just preposterous. In fact, is there a stronger word than preposterous? Maybe ludicrous? Asinine? That's how bad this movie is. It makes me want to add words to the dictionary so I can fully describe it. Point being, the movie is based on such ridiculousness that it makes it impossible to take any of it seriously. Overall, if you want to see some cool crashes, Getaway might be for you. Or maybe you could just go to your local fair and watch the Demolition Derby. You'll probably see more story and better acting there anyway. Getaway is a D. Thanks so much for checking out the Your Movie Friend review. If you want to know more about YMF or search for a specific review, you can go to the yourmoviefriend.com website. Also, I'd love for you to subscribe on YouTube so when new reviews are out, you get to see them first. Just hit that big gray subscribe button right now.